idea that an algorithm can run your life better than you can is a seductive lie that thousands of high-level executives are currently buying into. They see these flashy ads. They hear productivity influencers screaming from the rooftops about this new AI calendar that launched back in 2021. It promises to auto-prioritize your tasks. It says it can reshuffle your entire day the second a meeting moves. It sounds like a personal assistant living in your pocket, on a big monitor at your office. It actually looks impressive. The interface is clean. The automation feels snappy. It has these glowing reviews on professional rating sites. It sits at a 4.5 out of 5. But the moment you leave your office, the illusion shatters. The mobile app is a disaster zone. On the app stores, it is sitting at a dismal 2.7. People are reporting constant glitches with recurring events. Notifications just never show up. You are paying a premium price for a service that basically stops working the minute you stand up from your chair. Then there is the financial side of this relationship. They lure you in with a monthly price of $19, but they hide the fact that it is an annual commitment. You are locked in. Even worse, there is an AI credit system hidden in the fine print. If you actually lean on the AI to manage a heavy workload, your bill could jump by 20 or even 40%. It is a moving target. It is not just about the money, though. It is about the sheer amount of work you have to do just to make the tool work for you. Most users do not realize the setup cost. You have to spend up to a month. You are manually configuring every single detail of your life. Only then is the AI even remotely useful. You are setting work hours. You are ranking priorities. You are inputting project data for weeks. If you skip that grueling phase, you are just paying a massive subscription fee for a calendar that is too complicated for its own good. And do not even think about asking for your money back. Their refund policy is essentially a brick wall. One user documented being charged for 3 consecutive years after they thought they canceled. When they reach out for help, they get told that the policy says no refunds, period. It does not matter if the app glitched. It does not matter if you never used it. The money is gone. This tool expects you to be loyal to it, but it does not seem very interested in being loyal to you. It is a classic case of great marketing, hiding a product that is not quite ready for the real world. We're living in an era where everyone wants to sell us a shortcut to being more productive. Sometimes the shortcut is just a longer path to a headache. You have to be careful about what you sign up for. A calendar should serve you. You should not be a slave to its configuration settings and its billing department. If a tool requires a month of training just to tell you when to eat lunch, it might be time to go back to a simple paper planner or a free app that actually works on your phone. Question everything you see. Just because a CEO uses it does not mean it fits your life. Protect your time and your wallet from tools that want to own you.